Hello, my name is Yolonda Williams, and I am a junior players teaching artist with the Dallas Independent School District. And today, we're going to be learning how to make props. All right, let's pull out our actor's backpack. First of all, let's talk about what are props. Well, props are objects used on stage, handled or carried by an actor to enhance the performance. Props are used to make the scene look more believable or authentic. Now, in the world of theater, the word props comes from the bigger word property and just shortened to props. Props belong on the prop table, which is off stage where the performers drop them off or pick them up during a performance. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a campfire for the stage. Obviously, you can't have a real campfire on stage, so we've got to create something that's going to look believable to the audience. All right, these are the supplies that you will need. Foam sheets in yellow, red, and orange. Bathroom cardboard tissue tubes. 1 brown marker. LED tea lights. Rocks or stones. Skewers or chopsticks, white foam, scissors, and glue. Now let's start with the flames. Cut the foam in flame shapes of various sizes. Now we're layering each foam piece together. The red is done, the orange is already completed, the last one is the yellow. And we're taking the glue and going along the edge there and making sure that it's glued really good. And that's going to be our last piece to go on top of the orange foam. All right, let's pick it up and lay it flat and put it in the very center. And we're going to smooth it out. That way, it looks like a flame. We're adding just a little more glue along the edge so we connect the 3 sets of flames so it can stand up together. Squeeze down that piece there. And now we're going to stand it up, check on the bottom. And there you have it, your 3 sets of flames. All right, next step. As you can see, we've already started to draw a little design on the bathroom cardboard tissue holders. So we're going to take our brown marker and we're going to start along the edge with a few circular designs and kind of fill it in. And now we're going to just do a few squiggly lines, as you can see. And to give it that type of firewood effect that we're going for, maybe a couple more circles, fill them in. And there you can see firewood. All right, now it's time to build the outside of our campfire. Now, as you can see, we've gathered all types of stones and rocks, different textures, different colors, all shapes and sizes, and this makes it just a little bit more interesting. Now, you want to keep in mind, you want to make the circle as big as possible because remember, in the middle goes your fire and the firewood. That's a pretty good looking stone circle there. All right, so we've got our circle of stones there, which is the base of our campfire, and we've got our flame. We're going to put that right in the center of that, and now we're going to start with our firewood. All right, we got 2 pieces. We're going to put 2 right here, just side by side. We're going to take the next 2 and place them on this side. Looks pretty good so far. All right, we got our last 2, and we're going to put them in the back. And as you can see, it's getting a little crowded back there, but that's why we were saying the circle needs to be as big as possible to hold the firewood and the flames. All right, looks pretty good so far. All right, so we got these really cool LED tea lights, and we're going to turn them on. There's a switch on the bottom, and we're going to place them in various spots in between the firewood to make it look like it's a real campfire. All right, now we're going to make our marshmallow. We're going to take a piece of white foam and we're going to take our bamboo skewer Or if you care to use a chopstick, you can do that as well. But we're gonna fix it to where we're roasting it over the flame in our outdoor or indoor campfire. All right, now we're gonna bring it down a little bit lower so you can see that. Looks like we're really roasting a marshmallow over a campfire. Pretty cool, huh? All right, we've got our stone circle there. We've got our flame in the middle. We've got our firewood, and we've got our LED tea lights. Now, we're going to try a little something here. We're going to turn the lights down. There we go. All right, y'all. We've got us an indoor campfire. And now I think it's time. There we have it. Bingo. We're going to roast us a marshmallow. All right, that looks pretty good. When you're through with your props, they go back to the prop table, which is where they will remain until the performer has to use them again. Each prop has a label written on the prop table, so you know exactly where to put each item, like these eyeglasses, or the stones we used in our campfire. And you can't forget about the flames or the marshmallows. Wow, that was a lot of fun. Now remember, the props during a performance have to look real from the stage. And the audience has to think that the props are real too. Well, that's how you make props for the stage. Hey, I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope you learned a little something too. We'll see you next time.